It may seem as though we actually live at all of these open houses that we do
A little bit.
each weekend, but it's still with all the people that we run into and meet holding these open houses, it still mystifies me that so many of these folks are showing up without having a relationship with a local professional real estate agent.
Yes, and it is a little scary because I don't think they realize how many mistakes that they can actually go through. And many times what happens is that they go to the open house, they fall in love, and guess what? They're scrambling at the last minute to find an agent to represent them. And many times they're agents that they don't really know or even trust.
Yeah, and they're entering these open houses without representation for the most
Mm-hmm.
part. And representation is one of those phrases that we use very broadly within our industry, but it means so much to your interest as a buyer. I mean, it means that you have an advocate that's really looking out for your interests. And there's so many dynamics in the process of not only buying a house, but finding a house. I mean, who's
Mm-hmm.
introducing you not only to the open houses that are available on the weekends, but to the market in general, so that you have a good idea, what locations you want to purchase in. Are there other opportunities out there that you're missing by just simply going out, checking Zillow, checking
Correct.
Realtor.com? If we're just looking at those opportunities, there's a whole marketplace out there that's not holding open houses on the weekends. So representation is one of those, I think, phrases that can be kind of taken a little lightly, but you really do want to have an advocate looking out for your interests as you go in, because many times that agent that you're speaking with as you walk in that front door is a seller representative and not your representative.
Correct, correct. And for sure, tied to that is having your own agent to discuss with you actual costs of owning a home.
Wow.
And that's
They're
another big,
significant.
that's another big mistake because I think home buyers don't really take the time to really calculate what's involved. And it's everything from your new commute time, the HOA or condo fees that you may have to face, closing costs, repairs if there are any, maintenance of
On
that
and on,
home,
right?
on and on. And so I think by having an agent, what we're really good at is pairing you with the right professional. So whether it be the best lender for your situation or the repair person who can help you, the title company,
Yeah, inspectors,
all
right?
of inspectors as well, all those things, agents help to introduce you to really good vendors in the community, and that's vital.
Yeah, it is. So you're walking into that open house, and let's say that seller representative that you're meeting there, there's a list price for this property. How do you know that that really represents the value of that property in today's marketplace, not
Mm-hmm.
last month's or 3 years ago, but in today's marketplace? You really do want someone that is your, again, representative, that is looking at a marketplace, a broad picture of a marketplace, but that understands where those properties should be selling. We all look at the comparables within the neighborhood that open house is being held in, but we also look outside those neighborhoods. So we understand when we walk into the front door, we've already done that CMA, right? That
Correct.
competitive market analysis, to understand what the values are in that neighborhood for that type of property, within those basically, services that are available. So it's really important to understand those values. And certainly a local professional can help you with that before you go into the open house, and certainly after your visit there at the open house.
Yes. Another common mistake that we see often are home buyers who are looking for the perfect house and the perfect rate. And unfortunately, it does not always pan out like that. What we try to tell our clients is find the right home for your lifestyle right now. That's what's important. You have to think needs versus wants, because what happens often, you fall in love with the dream home with the great kitchen,
Oh,
but you haven't considered it doesn't have a garage or it doesn't have a
no
nice
garage.
pool nearby, something like
Yeah.
that. And then you end up overpaying and going over the budget you had already
There's
decided
nothing
on.
left.
And there and then it continues and continues,
Right.
right? The other aspect to that is waiting for the perfect rate. And again, what is the perfect rate? Because when it's the perfect rate and it's so low, guess who it's going to be the perfect rate for? Everybody else and their neighbors and brothers and sisters and cousins.
So
So
true.
then competition increases and the sale price increases. So you really have to keep all of those things. And I think by having the right representation, having the right agent, you have someone to kind of remind you of this is kind of where we want to stay, and just really working with you to figure out what that is for you and your lifestyle at this time.
An advocate, right?
An advocate, a
Yes, got to
representative.
have that advocate.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, as we did the home seller's guide just a few weeks ago and finished that up, we also have a home buying guide. This is just a small representation of that home buying guide. So please reach out to us. Of course, the link is always included. We have this available to you. We're glad to pass it on. It has a number of other vital tips. Of course, you can find this on our website and through our newsletter many times, but we have this in hand. It is bound and ready to come out to you. So please let us know if you need a copy.
Yes, we want you to stay informed of all this information. Be smart out there.
Yeah. Enjoy the rest of the spring, and we'll see you soon. Bye.